Hi guys, we're making pancakes, but first we need some eggs to make our pancake batter. Let's get some from our refrigerator. Let's see what we have. Is this what we need? No, it's a piece of cake. Squishy cake. Is this what we're looking for? No, it's a hot dog. Here's what we need. 1, 2, 3 eggs. Now let's make our pancake batter. Our batter's ready. Now let's fry some pancakes. Here's our stove and our frying pan. Now we're ready to turn over our pancake. Our pancake is ready. Now let's make one more. Now let's flip it over. All done. Let's take it to our plate. Now let's cut our butter. And we also have more toppings in these cups. Let's see what's in our orange cup. What do we have here? It's mushrooms. Let's see what's in our green cup. We have strawberries. Here's our yellow cup. What's this? It's pepperoni slices. Let's see what's in our orange cup. It's green peppers. Here's another yellow cup with black olives. Let's see what's in our red cup. It's blueberries. Our purple cup has bananas. And our last cup, our blue cup, has chocolate chips. Whoa, that is one yummy pancake.
Funnest toys.
What do we have here? So many yummy fruits and vegetables to feed our frog friend. We have a red apple.
Farmer in the dell, the farmer in the dell. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the farmer in the dell. The farmer takes the wife, the farmer takes the wife. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the farmer takes the wife. The wife takes the child, the wife takes the child.
Here's a purple eggplant. Here's some green peas.
The cow takes the dog. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the cow takes the dog.
Here's an orange.
The dog takes the cat. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the dog takes the cat. The cat takes the mouse. The cat takes the mouse. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the cat takes the mouse.
Here's a green avocado.
The mouse takes the cheese. The cheese stands alone. The cheese stands alone. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the cheese stands alone. Hi-ho,
Here's a
the
brown
dairy-o, the
onion.
cheese stands alone.
This is a white cauliflower. Here's a yellow banana. Okay, Froggy, eat up. What is this? It's building blocks. Cool! I wonder what we can build with these blocks. Let's put them together and find out. What did we build? It's a penguin.
Funnest toys.